Hey everyone, check out the PHOCAS Knotless Braided Wig, featuring 44-inch butterfly locks for a stunning natural look. This full lace wig offers soft, durable lace that blends seamlessly with your skin for breathable comfort. Crafted with high-quality synthetic fibers, it mimics real hair perfectly for any occasion. The versatile design allows you to style high ponytails or elegant updos with ease. Two adjustable shoulder straps ensure a secure, comfortable fit all day long. Plus, it's handcrafted for quick, hassle-free wear without damaging your natural hair. Say goodbye to bulky wigs and hello to effortless beauty with this amazing, braided lace front wig. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.